Hi guys! So today we are going to talk about facial oils. So before I start this video, let me clarify something. It's not a sponsored video. I'm just doing it to help everyone out. The brand has not sponsored me to talk about it. It's just because that's my first facial oil that I'm using. So I decided to put that forward. So when I had got facial oil for the first time for myself, I was clueless on how to use it and go about with it. So I did my research and I thought it would be helpful for you guys as well. So facial oil that I own is this. You would have seen it in my recent video where I also spoke about the other packages that I had received. So yeah, we're going to talk about Plum. I mean, there are other facial oils also available, but most of them are a little on the expensive side, like above 1,000. I'm not sure about Plum's MRP, but if I find it, I'll link it down below. Basically, there are multiple ways of using facial oil in your daily routine. Oil is basically for the nourishment of your skin. It keeps your skin moisturized for a longer duration of time compared to a moisturizer, and any skin type can use it, from dry, normal to an oily skin, because the skin absorbs the oil really faster than a moisturizer. So it does not matter if you have an oily skin, because the first perception is that it's an oil, and an oily skin will make it look much more oily. No, but you're wrong there. The skin is basically going to absorb all the facial oil to nourish your skin and to keep it moisturized and give you that after glow. So the facial oil comes with this what do you call it, comes with this setup, and you can just pull out 3 drops of oil on your palm and use it. So first way of using it is as a daily moisturizer. So what I do is I first apply 3 drops of facial oil to my palm and then pat it on my face, add a sunscreen, and then head to the moisturizer. So this is basically my current daily routine that I follow, and it also moisturizes your lips too, so you can use it as a lip balm, or right before you apply a matte lipstick, you can always go ahead and apply a drop of this one on your lip and just pat it on it. So yeah, that is one way. The second way of using it is in your makeup routine, where you can just apply this as a primer and then moisturizer, and then you can add either your BB cream or your foundation, whichever you're comfortable with. But of late, I've also been using the facial oil as a night routine. So usually after I come back from work, I like washing my face because of all the pollution. I am 8 hours under the sun and roaming around in the city because my job is like that, and I come back, wash my face, and I make sure that I pat 3 drops of this facial oil on my skin. I'll show you how to use it. So this is the facial oil that I'm using, and all you need to do is pick up a bit of the liquid from the bottle. I'm going to keep it down, and just 3 drops is more than enough. I've already applied it on my skin, so I'm going to show you on my hand. So just 3 drops is more than enough. It gives an oily texture like this. Applied the facial oil on my palm, and it has already absorbed. You can see it's not even oily. I mean, my palm is, because it has the facial oil on it, but otherwise look at this, it has already absorbed and it's just been 2 minutes. So yeah, it's a misconception that oily skin cannot use a facial oil. You can use, I have a normal skin, but even for dry skin it works wonders. So you have to give it a try. And so this was it from today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it helps someone like me who was clueless about facial oil. And if you liked it, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, because I am new into YouTube and I would love some support. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.